Hi everyone, welcome all of you in your biology class. I am Supriya. As you can see, today's our video relate with the some question regarding the connective tissue. Student, all of you know about the connective tissue is the supportive tissue and connect the different tissue and organ of the body. It has type of protein, fiber, number of cells and matrix. Connective tissue basically originate from the mesoderm. Student, what is the meaning of mesoderm? Yes, all vertebrate animal groups which are originate or their body develop from the three germs layer. These three germs layer is ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. So connective tissue is the originate from the mesoderms. We have some example of the connective tissue like adipose tissue, areolar tissue, bone, blood, cartilage, ligament, tendon, etc. Okay, let's start with some questions. Okay, question number 1. Question number 1, you have find the correct statement. You have four options, and areolar tissue is the loose connective tissue, tendon is a specialized connective tissue, cartilage is a loose connective tissue, adipose tissue is a dense connective tissue. I think you all know very well this the statement related with the nature of matrix, and you know about it. So find the correct answer. Next one, student, all of you know the erythrocytes or RBC of human being lose their nucleus, but in frog nucleus is not loose by the RBC. So you can explain or choose your correct option in given questions. Okay, our next question is the tips of nose and external ear have which type of connective tissue is present? Your option is areolar tissue, ligament, cartilage and bone. It's not tough to identify it. Okay, next question is mast cell contain. You already know about the if you have mast cell. One word is related with the allergy or word related with the injury words. And student, you remember that heparin and histamine word is related with the mast cell. So I think you can choose your correct answer with this question from this question. Okay, next one is the ligament is. What is ligament or ligament is? Your option is the modified yellow elastic tissue, inelastic white fiber, modified white fibrous tissue, none of these. So I think you will very well know about the ligament and you can easily choose your option. Collagen edge. You know, collagen and elastin were related with the fiber. So your answer will be, I think it is enough hint regarding this answer. Next one is the antibodies are secreted by. You can choose your answer. Next one is the histamine is secreted by. I am already just previous question explain about the word histamine and heparin, so I think you can choose your correct option. And last one is the largest extracellular material present in. Extracellular material terms relate with the matrix, so you very well know which option have matrix. So best of luck and thank you.